Hello student, today we will discuss geometric progression a comma ar comma ar square comma ar cube dash dash ar to the power n minus 1 are the nth term of gp, right? As we know that ar upon a equal to ar square upon ar equal to ar cube upon ar square equal to ar to the power n minus 1 upon ar to the power n minus 2, right? uh, Equal to r, right? Okay, where r is called the common ratio, so ar to the power n minus 1 is the nth term of geometric progression, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. We can just give the live example, like h 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma 32 is a gp, since 4 upon 2 equal to 8 upon 4 equal to 16 upon 8 equal to 32 upon 16, like as example second and third, right? Now I have to find out the sum of n term of gp. Sn equal to a plus ar dash s, sum of n term. I will multiply equation first by r. I will get r Sn equal to ar square dash ar to the power n. Now equation first minus second, Sn minus r Sn equal to a minus ar to the power n. A will be common, therefore Sn equal to a 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r, when r is where r is less than 1. Similarly, when r is greater than 1, therefore Sn equal to ar to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. If the number of terms are infinite, therefore its sum will be as infinitive equal to a upon 1 minus r. Okay. Now geometric mean. Let G is the geometric mean between A and B. Therefore, by the definition of GP, G upon A, any term upon its previous term, equal to B upon G, G square equal to AB, and G equal to root AB. Okay, three term of GP are given by A upon R, comma A, comma AR. Now, exercise 9.3. In this question, I have to find out the 20 term and nth term. 5 by 2, comma 5 by 4, comma 5 by 8. A equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, R equal to 1 by 2. And A20 equal to AR to the power 20 minus 1 equal to AR to the power 19 equal to 5 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 to the power 19. Therefore, nth term equal to AR to the power n minus 1 equal to A 5 by 2 into 1 upon 2 to the power n minus 1. Now, question number third. In this question, I have to prove that Q square equal to PS. Since fifth term is P, that is AR to the power 4 equal to P, 8th term Q, that is AR to the power 7 equal to Q, 11th term S, AR to the power 10 equal to S. Since PS equal to AR to the power 4 into AR to the power 10 equal to A square R to the power 14 equal to AR to the power 7 whole square equal to Q square, right? Hence Q square equal to PS. Now come to the question number 5, B part. In this question, dear student, I have to find out that which term of this geometric series is 729. Let nth term is 729, an equal to 729. Okay, ar to the power n minus equal to 729, and value of a is root 3, common ratio r also root 3. After solving this one, you will get n equal to 12. Now come to the question number 10. In this question, we have to find out its nth term. A equal to x cube, r equal to x to the power 5 upon x cube equal to x square. Therefore, an equal to ar to the power n minus 1 equal to x to the power 2n plus 1. In question number 11, I have to solve this one. Means this is a summation from k1 to 11 of 2 plus 3 to the power k. At first I will put k equal to 1, then k equal to 2, then k equal to 3, so on, k equal to 11. 2 will come 11 times, 2 into 11, 22, plus and rest of term will form geometric progression, whose first term is 3 and common ratio is also 3. Therefore, a r to the power 3 to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 equal to 22 plus 3 into 3 to the power 11 minus 1 upon 2. Right? Okay. Now question number 12. In this question, we have to find out the common ratio if sum of first three term is 39 by 10 and its product is 1. Let the first term is a upon r, second term is a and third term is ar. Therefore, a upon r into a ar equal to 1, which is given. That is a cube equal to 1, cube root of 1 will be 1. Now sum of the three term is 39 by 10. After solving this one, by help of quadratic formula, you will get the value of r is 3 and 2 by 5. So thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.